Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to transfer USDT from Coinbase Wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a beginner looking to grow your portfolio or an experienced trader optimizing your assets, this step-by-step guide will make the process simple and stress-free. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for transfers because it maintains a steady value tied to the US dollar. But remember, crypto rules can change, so always verify with the latest platform updates before you start. First things first, ensure you have accounts on both Coinbase Wallet and Binance, and that they're fully verified for security. Open your Coinbase Wallet app or website and log in securely. Once you're in, head to the Send or Transfer section. It's usually right on the main dashboard. Step 1. Select USDT as the asset you want to send. Make sure you're choosing the correct network, like ERC20, to match what Binance supports. Step 2. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Be mindful of any minimum limits and network fees, which can vary based on blockchain congestion. Now, switch over to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and select Deposit for USDT. Step 3. Copy the deposit address provided by Binance. Double-check that it's for the right network to avoid lost funds. Step 4. Back in Coinbase, paste that address into the recipient field and add any required memos or tags if Binance asks for them. Step 5. Review everything carefully, the amount, address, and fees. Then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. You'll get a confirmation notification, and the transaction will start processing on the blockchain. Step 6. Sit tight and monitor the status. It might take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network traffic. Once it's complete, log back into Binance and check your USDT balance to ensure it arrived safely. Pro tip: always use two-factor authentication and never share your private keys to keep your crypto secure in 2025's evolving landscape. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT seamlessly. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe and happy trading.